Hi, I'm Riya Gupta from SSBF batch 1820. I got this opportunity to intern with JP Morgan Chase & Co. this summer as a corporate financial analyst in the line of business, corporate investment banking.
I am Amit Sindhu from SSBF batch 1820. I did my internship at the Bank of Maharashtra overseas branch in the Forex department.
Hi, I'm Avi Bansal. I'm from batch 1820 of SSBF. I interned with Impetus Wealth Management Private Limited based in Mumbai.
As a fresher, to intern with a company like JP Morgan Chase & Co. was not less than a dream come true. The open door policy of the company helped me take initiative to talk to professionals out there. Apart from that, we used to have various experiential sessions wherein the heads of the line of business used to come and talk about their own experiences and helped us to enhance our knowledge.
At Bank of Maharashtra, I learned a lot of practical things like the forex transaction, dollar transaction, yen transaction in the overseas branch.
In the first 2 weeks of the internship, we were made familiar with the regulations prevalent in the wealth management and financial planning market, which are implemented by SEBI. Then we were thrown into the market with experienced wealth managers to get hands-on experience with the clients.
There were 3 important learnings from my internship. First, communication. Second, patience. No matter how many times you fail, if you're patient, you'll be able to achieve your goals. Third, teamwork. To work in a team requires patience, and to work with a team is an art. This will be the most important takeaway from my internship.
We could just not suggest the financial products to the clients without knowing their needs and requirements. We should take in consideration their risk appetite, their requirements and for the future goals, and what they are looking for in an investment.
I would like to thank SSBF for giving me this opportunity to intern with JP Morgan Chase & Co.
I would like to thank SSBF for giving me such a wonderful opportunity which will help me in pursuing my future endeavor.
And at last, I would like to thank Mr. P.R. Dilip for giving us this immense opportunity to intern with him and work on the real projects.